Aptas Ayurveda. Reach Ayurveda to each.
Ayurgrama 2.0, a unique national level Ayurveda contest on behalf of Charaka Jayanti 2024 with the theme Charaka for Change. In collaboration with Vishwa Ayurved Parishad, organized by Aptas Ayurveda Trust, supported and guided by National Commission for Indian System of Medicine, Rashtriya Ayurveda Vidyapith, Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. Sponsored by Ashtavaidyan Thaika Tumos, Vaidyaratnam Aushadashala Trishur, Kerala. Ayurveda Shramam Private Limited, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Unit of Shri Hospitals Group. Shri Dhutapapeshwar Private Limited, Mumbai. Prize for the contest is sponsored by students of late Vaidyaji Srinivasa Acharya.
सुवर्ण समृद्ध च्यवनप्राश स्वामला, उत्तम दर्जे के आंवले औषधि वनस्पति, गाय का शुद्ध घी एवं शहद से निर्मित तथा स्वर्ण एवं रजत भस्म से समृद्ध च्यवनप्राश श्री दूतपापेश्वर का स्वामला संपूर्ण स्वास्थ्य एवं उत्तम रोग प्रतिकार शक्ति के लिए सेहत का खजाना, 2 चम्मच रोजाना।
Shri Ayurvedic presents Pandit D. Gopalacharlu's Madhifala Rasayanam. It is made with tons of natural sweet lime, lemon and ginger. It works effectively in indigestion, gas trouble, loss of appetite and jaundice. With Pandit D. Gopalacharlu's Madhifala Rasayanam, stay safe, stay healthy.
ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮ 2.0 ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ತಂಡದವರು ಕುಂಟಬಾಳ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಪದ್ಧತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮನಮುಟ್ಟುವಂತೆ ಆ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ತಂಡದವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಭಗವಂತನ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮ ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ತಂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಆಯುರ್ವೇದವನ್ನು ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ತಲುಪಿಸಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶದ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾದ ರೈತನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸುಧಾರಿಸಿ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸದೃಢಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
First of all, I am very much happy to be a part of this team Sankalpa. The team had already took part in many of the events which are organized by Aptas Ayurveda Trust, and the only only event which we spared is Ayurgrama 2.0 due to some issues. This time we'll be even taking part in this contest, that is Ayurgrama 2.0, and for that I'll be with you, Team Sankalpa. So let's begin the journey towards Ayurgrama 2.0. For that I wish Team Sankalpa all the very best.
All the best for Sankalpa Ayurgrama team.
All the best for Team Sankalpa.
ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಬರಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಆಶಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೀಮ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ.
Ayurgrama 2.0, all the best.
All the best Team Sankalpa. Students of final year PMS are participating in Ayurgrama 2. I wish you them all the best and success.
All the best to Team Sankalpa.
All the best for Team Sankalpa.
All the best Team Sankalpa.
All the best to do the best. Thank you.
All the very best.
ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Ayurgrama 2.0, all the best.
ವಿಶ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೂಪರ್.
संकल्प छात्राः आयुर्ग्राम इति कार्यक्रमं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति. आयुर्वेदः सर्वग्रामेषु गच्छेत् इति एतस्य उद्देशः बहु उत्तमम् अस्ति. सर्वेभ्यः शुभं भूयात्.
All the best Team Sankalpa for Ayurgrama 2.0.
It was 26th May 2024 when we received the very first poster of unique contest which will be organized by Aptas Ayurveda Trust on behalf of Charaka Jayanti, which grabbed our attention. A week later, received a message that Ayurgrama is back as Ayurgrama 2.0 with the theme Charaka for Change. On 8th of June, Aptas Ayurveda Trust released Karnataka's district coordinators, in which Dr. Gururaj were the coordinator for Koppal district. Then received the brochure for the event Ayurgrama 2.0. Our district coordinator Dr. Gururaj sir announced the same in the classroom and encouraged us to take active participation in the event. Last year at the same time, we the team Sankalpa from Sri Jagadguru Gavisiddeshwara Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital Koppala had participated in Charaka for One Earth and received an award for the documentary film with the highest views in the YouTube. The same team had participated in Dridavala camp in September 2023 and had a great influence on us about Ayurveda. Then the team approached the principal sir with district coordinator to give the details of the event and put forth our interest for the participation and proposed Dr. Radhakrishna Reddy as our team coordinator. We wholeheartedly thank Mr. Jaipal, Gardner SJGMC Koppala for his hard work in providing the Guduchi saplings for the distribution.
Miss Annapurna and Mr. Ravi Kumar of our team dedicated a song for the publicity of Ayurgrama 2.0.
ಶಾರದಮ್ಮನವರೇ ಸರಸಮ್ಮನವರೇ ಶಾರದಮ್ಮನವರೇ ಸರಸಮ್ಮನವರೇ ಸರೋಜಮ್ಮನ ತಾಯಿಯವರೇ ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಮ್ಮ. ಶಾರದಮ್ಮನವರೇ ಅಮ್ಮ ಸರಸಮ್ಮನವರೇ ಶಾರದಮ್ಮನವರೇ ಸರಸಮ್ಮನವರೇ ಸರೋಜಮ್ಮನ ತಾಯಿಯವರೇ ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮ ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಮ್ಮ.
ಸಿಂದ್ರಮ್ನವರೇ ಚಂದ್ರಮ್ನವರೇ ಫಾತಿಮಾ ಬೇಗಮ್ಮನವರೇ ಖಾತ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಮ್ಮ.
ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಹಾಜರಿ ನೀಡಬೇಕು
ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಲಾಭವ ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕು.
ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಹಾಜರಿ ನೀಡಬೇಕು
ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಲಾಭವ ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕು.
ರಂಗಣ್ಣವರೇ ಅಯ್ಯ ಲಿಂಗಣ್ಣವರೇ ರಂಗಣ್ಣವರೇ ಲಿಂಗಣ್ಣವರೇ ಚಿಕ್ಕಣ್ಣವರೇ ದೊಡ್ಡಣ್ಣವರೇ ಲಕ್ಷ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಣ್ಣ.
ಕಮಲಮ್ನವರೇ ವಿಮಲಮ್ನವರೇ ಅಂಬುಜಕ್ಷಿ ತಾಯಿಯವರೇ ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವು ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಮ್ಮ.
ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಹಾಜರಿ ನೀಡಬೇಕು
ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಲಾಭವ ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕು.
ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಹಾಜರಿ ನೀಡಬೇಕು
ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಲಾಭವ ಪಡೆಯಬೇಕು. As a token of respect towards our Ayurvedic tradition, we the team Sankalpa has honorified these 7 days of our camp to Saptarishis. Our first day devoted to Maharshi Vasishtha. As a symbol of complete and auspicious welcome to the guests, our team Sankalpa arranged Purna Kunda Swagata to escort the guests to the venue, which depicts the ancient Indian tradition. As a gesture of love and respect towards Acharya Charaka, our dignitaries has took part in Charaka Pratisthapana, which is prepared out of newspaper by our team member Namrata Bediger. For the inaugural session, Miss Priyanka and Bhagyashri were the masters of ceremony.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಗವನ್ನು ಗುಣಪಡಿಸುವುದು ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಸಮುದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಷೇಮಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತಕ ಪ್ರಯಾಣದ ಆರಂಭವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಅನ್ನಪೂರ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ತಂಡದವರನ್ನು
Our team member, Mr. Sandeep, welcomed all the dignitaries with love and respect.
ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛ ನೀಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ತಂಡದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬಳ ಗ್ರಾಮದಸ್ಥರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Our team coordinator, Dr. Radhakrishna Reddy sir, has delivered keynote address of the event. Chief guest Dr. Parvat Gowda, District Ayush Officer Koppala, briefed about Panchamahabhuta Tattva, Nidana Parivarjana, Vishnu Sahasranama in Jwara as Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa, and stressed about the relation between Ayurveda and environment. Mr. Santosh Pattadkal briefed the need of ethical practice. Dr. Manjunath Sajjan and Dr. Gurraj Natikar, District Coordinator, Aptas Ayurveda Trust, briefed about Ayurgrama 2.0.
ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮ 2.0 ಈ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಯ್ತು, 2 ಗ್ರಾಮಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಒಟ್ಟು 80 ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು.
The president of the event, Dr. Suresh Hakkandi, Principal SJGAMC Koppala, has delivered presidential speech about the code of conduct and the importance of Ayurgrama in a nutshell. Our team member Ms. Jyoti Priya delivered vote of thanks.
Indian Red Cross Society, Innerwear Association Koppala, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಮನಪೂರ್ವಕ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Soon after the inaugural session, we moved to the ribbon cutting ceremony of our OPDs. Our guests graced the occasion and the team head explained about the OPD arrangements and the dispensaries. As announced earlier in the pre-camp of the village, the first day OPD was exclusively for Vata Vyadhis, for which Dr. Manohar Havinad, Dr. Manjula, along with the PG scholars and the house surgeons were our consultants. At the end of the OPD session, we received 82 number of patients and dispensed the medicines successfully. Then, the team headed by the coordinator and the team head moved to Government Higher Primary School for school activities, in which Mr. Ravi Kumar described the Ayurveda Avatarana to the students under Sambhasha activity and projected a video clip of Aptas Ayurveda and documentary film The Soil, which was earlier shot in the same village. Aptopadesha, for which Shri Siddhalingaya Swami Hiramat were the resource person. Kala Saushtava is an event which is mainly aimed at social and mental health. Our Kala Saushtava successfully brought together diverse age groups with the evident involvement of children, youngsters and adults as they embraced the festivities with great enthusiasm and enjoyment.
ತುಪ್ಪವನ್ನು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಆಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಮೇಲಾಗಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತುಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ತುಪ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಜೆ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
As an initiative to promote Ayurvedic knowledge, our host Mr. Suhas Purohit conveyed some Ayurvedic tips between the events. At the end of Kala Saushtava, our coordinator briefed regarding details of next day's schedule, which was followed by a review meeting. Our second day devoted to Maharshi Marichi. Our team started with Charakastuti as a ritual throughout the camp. Charakastuti is a way to honor and express reverence for Seth Charaka, who is considered one of the greatest contributors to Ayurvedic medicine. The recitation of Charakastuti integrates the spiritual and practical aspects of Ayurveda, highlighting the holistic nature of the practice. Charakastuti helps in maintaining the cultural heritage of Ayurveda.
ಶಾಲೆಯ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ.
We adopted yoga sessions for the school children and the villagers daily. Yoga encourages self-care and self-discipline, empowering the students to take control of their health and well-being. With an aim to embrace the wellness of Ayurveda, The school children were introduced to Ayurveda Avatarana, followed by the topic Siddhanta to encourage the thought of intellectual curiosity. The consultants for the second day Shalakya consultation were Dr. Viraya Hiramat, Dr. Anita Kulkarni, PG scholars and the house surgeons. We received 147 patients at the end of day 2 OPD session. As a special event of day 2, we conducted Charaka Shobha Yatra. The idol of Seth Charaka, prepared out of clay by our team member Varshini, was offered and then shifted into the Pallaki for Charaka procession. Members of the team and the consultants held Charaka Samhita in their hands as a symbol of respect for the Samhita. Charaka Shobha Yatra is dedicated to Seth Charaka, whose work, particularly the Charaka Samhita, is a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine. This event serves as a way to honor and celebrate his immense contributions to the field. In this event, Dr. Viraya Hiramat and Dr. Anita Salimat has taken active participation along with the team, school children and villagers of Kondbar. During the Shobha Yatra, there were the slogans related to Charaka which were reverberating in the streets of village. The event often includes the elements of spiritual practice and reverence, reinforcing the holistic nature of Ayurveda, which integrates physical, mental and spiritual health. The event often attracted the public attention, providing an opportunity to educate a broader audience about Ayurveda's benefits and its rich heritage.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡೋದು ಯಾವ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಚರಕ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಚರಕ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಚರಕ
Mr. Sandeep as a host of the evening.
ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ರೈತ
ಗುಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವ 4 ಆ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, 1 ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, 2ನೇದ್ದು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ, 3ನೇದ್ದು ಆಪ್ತ, 4ನೇದ್ದು ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮ.
Our third day devoted to Maharshi Pulastya. Charakastuti, as a way of recognizing the deep knowledge and wisdom contained in Charaka Samhita. Yogabhyasa, a comprehensive practice that encompasses physical, mental and spiritual disciplines. On the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, we performed Rudrabhisheka in Banashankari temple of the village. For day 3, the consultants were Dr. Gavi Patil, Dr. Manjunath Sajjan and Dr. Hanumantraya for Balaroga. In this OPD session of Balaroga, the screening of the children with malnutrition, developmental delay or any visible anomalies was done. As a featured event of the day, we organized a Swachh Bharat campaign in the village. As a mark of this campaign, the team made an effort to reach the awareness on management of waste disposal and sanitation to each and everyone in the village under Swachh Grama Swachh Bharata theme. Thereafter, a field visit to the farmhouse provided valuable insights into agricultural practices and the rural life. It was an enriching experience that highlighted the importance of connection with the source of Ahara and Aushadha. As a guest for the evening, Dr. Kishore Raj Purohit, Medical Officer, Horticulture College, Shirsi, and Dr. Manjunath Sajjan, Assistant Professor, SJGMC, Koppala. In the Tadvidya Sambhasha among the resource person and with the team Sankalpa, the resource person have clarified many of the doubts with respect to Ayurvedic practice in the current era, which led to deeper insights and understanding.
ಜ್ಞಾನೇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಪಂಚ ಕರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಏಕಾದಶೇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯ.
Day 4 devoted to Maharshi Pulaha. Charakastuti emphasizes the importance of holistic health, including the mind, body, and the spirit. The meditative aspects of yoga enhances concentration, mental clarity, and cognitive function. With an idea to create a garden in the village, the team planted the saplings in the morning hours. Vriksho Rakshati Rakshitaha. Plantation is essential for maintaining ecological balance, supporting economic development, enhancing community well-being, and contributing to sustainable development. By addressing challenges and implementing effective management practices, the benefits of plantation can be maximized, leading to healthier ecosystems, improved livelihoods, and a more sustainable future. The team carried out a unique activity, Agnihotra. Agnihotra is an ancient Vedic ritual that involves offering oblations into a sacred fire. This practice is deeply rooted in a Vedic tradition and has been valued for its spiritual, environmental, and health benefits. The consultants for Shalya consultation were Dr. Lohit, Dr. Anisha, Dr. Rashmi, and PG scholars along with the house surgeons. The outline of the OPD session ensured a comprehensive approach of the patients through the detailed evaluation by the consultants. The patients who need advanced medical care received special attention and were referred to higher centers. At the end of the OPD session, we received 112 patients for the Shalya consultation. For the school events, we organized essay writing on importance of Ayurveda in daily life and drawing competition on the topic Namma Grama Ayur Grama. Thereafter, the consultants accompanied the team for the plantation. During the survey into the village, we met a folklore practitioner, Mr. Mahantesh, who had 15 years of experience in Nadi Pariksha and shared his skills on Nadi Pariksha, encompassing the treatment methods which reflects their historical and cultural heritage.
ಗಲ್ಗಂಟ ಇಂಥವು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ರಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಈಜಿ. ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ, ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟನ್ನು ಆಕಳ ಗೋಮೂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ನಾಡಿಗಳು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಈ 3 ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. 3 ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರದಾಗ ಏನದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಗತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ.
ಓಂ ಸೂರ್ಯಾಯ ಸ್ವಾಹ.
ಪೂರ್ಣಮಿದಂ ಪೂರ್ಣಾತ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಮುದಚ್ಯತೆ.
With an aim to enhance the serene atmosphere in the village, the team performed the Dhupana ritual, contributing to overall well-being and spiritual growth.
ಬಾಬೂಜಿ ಬೇಡ
ನೀವು ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ದಾನ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ರಕ್ತದ ಹನಿ ಹನಿ
By the end of Kala Saushtava, our coordinator notified about the blood donation camp addressing the health benefits and the misconceptions. Our day 5th devoted to Maharshi Atri. Charaka Stuti for the acknowledgement of contributions of Charaka to the medical science. Yoga Abhyasa promotes a connection with the inner self, facilitating personal growth and spiritual awakening. The team demonstrated the practice of Jalaneti in the yoga session. Jalaneti is one among the Shatkarmas mentioned in Ayurveda and yoga practices. It is a procedure of cleansing the nasal passages with water. As a daily routine, the team continued the plantation. A class on Ayurveda was conducted for school children, focusing introduction and principles of Ayurveda. For Prasuti Tantra and Stri Roga consultation, Dr. Harshita and PG scholars along with house surgeons were the consultants. We received 104 patients at the end of Stri Roga consultation. A session on menstrual hygiene to the students by Dr. Harshita, Assistant Professor SJGAMC, created an impact of menstrual health on overall well-being, aiming to provide the knowledge and promote positive practices among the attendees. Thereafter, speech and singing competition were conducted for the high school students. As a unique activity, our team conducted Patya Kalpana in the houses, which mainly focused on Ayurvedic concepts of dietary and lifestyle measures, by recommending appropriate foodstuffs and preparations like manda, peya, vilepi and healthy routines. As a special event of Kala Saushtava of 5th day, we the team conducted some exciting activities for the villagers, which included Rangoli competition, tug of war and musical chair, where we received active participation of the nativiers. Our 6th day devoted to Maharshi Angirasa. Charaka Stuti serves as an integral part of the spiritual and intellectual traditions associated with Ayurveda. Yoga Abhyasa encourages self-reflection and self-awareness, leading to a deeper understanding of one's thoughts and emotions. The regular practice of yoga and pranayama improves the concentration and overall vitality and energy levels in children. For day 6, Dr. Rudrakshi Devargudi, Dr. Prabhu Naglapur, Dr. Shashidhar Jiru were the consultants. We received 87 number of patients at the end of consultation. Thereafter, the consultants accompanied the team for the plantation. The consultants were invited for the judgment of Rangoli competition. Parallelly, our teammates Mr. Dayanand and Mr. Praveen took part in the blood donation camp organized by Indian Red Cross Society, Koppala. An interdisciplinary session on Patya, Apatya and Nutrition by Dr. Kavita, Scientist, Home Science, University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur, led to understanding importance of Ayurvedic dietary measures on Sharirika Prakriti and health conditions. A recipe called Diabetic Mix exclusively for diabetic patients was demonstrated. Parallelly, the team arranged a quiz competition for the high school students. Kala Saustava of Day 6 was highlighted with the captivating performance of Dr. Rishikesh, House Surgeon SJGMC Koppala.
ಕಂಬಗಳಿದ್ದಂತೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಹಾರ, ಒಂದು ನಿದ್ರ, ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚರ್ಯ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚರ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಮ, ಕ್ರೋಧ, ಮೋಹ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತ್ಯಜಿಸಬೇಕು.
ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಿದ್ರಾಯತಂ ಸುಖಂ ದುಃಖಂ ಪುಷ್ಟಿಕಾಸ್ಯಂ ಫಲಾಭಂ.
Later, a skit featuring Vegadharana was enacted by the team members.
ಸರ್, ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಸುಸು ತೊಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಆದರೂ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ತರ್ ಬಿಡಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಎದುರಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಸರ್.
ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ನವಘಟ ಪಂಕನ್ಯಾಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಮಡಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ನೀರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಸಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆ ಮಣ್ಣು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾವೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವೇಗಗಳನ್ನು ಧಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹಳ್ಳುಗಳಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ.
In the review meeting, the challenges faced and the achievements were discussed, and our coordinator suggested the action plan to resolve the challenges faced. Our day 7 devoted to Maharshi Kratu. Charakastuti. As a part of preserving and passing down India's rich cultural and medical heritage. Yoga Abhyasa helps in reducing stress and anxiety through relaxation techniques and mindful practices. The consultants of the day were Dr. Vishwanath, Dr. Radha, Dr. Parameshwar and PG scholars along with the house surgeons. At the end of the OPD session, we received 103 patients for the consultation. Parallelly, the team invited the members of Inner Wheel Association Koppala for the distribution of prizes to the school students. Later, an exhibition on Masanumasika Garbhavriddhi and Dhanyaka Padarthas were presented. Kshiram Jeevaniyana. The team gave a visit to the milk dairy of the village. The visit includes an overview on daily operation in the dairy farm, and the team introduced them about the importance of Kshira mentioned in Ayurvedic science. Day 7 marked the valedictory day, celebrating the successful completion of our camp. Our team coordinator delivered the camp report briefing the key achievements and milestones achieved during the camp.
ವರದಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಈಡೇರಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ವರದಿಲಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Later, the team members and villagers shared their opinion about the camp.
ಒಂದೇ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮನ ತಂಗಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರವರು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗವಿಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್ವರ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಹೆಸರುಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತವ್ರು ಇಂಥವೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
ಅವಾಗೆ ಬಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ 7 ದಿನಗಳ ನಾವು ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಥರನೇ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷನೂ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಯುರ್ ಸಪ್ತಾಹ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಂತ.
ನೇತ್ರ ತಪಾಸಣಾ ಶಿಬಿರದಲ್ಲಿ 80 ಜನ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು 100 ಜನರು ಕನ್ನಡಕಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಹರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡಕಗಳನ್ನ ಭಾರತೀಯ ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಒದಗಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮದಿಂದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Then held a prize distribution for the winners of the games conducted for the native years, followed by felicitation to the chief members of the village. Our team head Mr. Ravi Kumar delivered vote of thanks. Thereafter, in association with Swami Vivekananda Yuvaka Mandali, the team observed Kargil Vijay Divas. With the review meeting, we ended our 7 days Ayur Grama camp successfully.
which will be organized by Aptas Ayurveda Trust.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಲು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಗೊಂಡಬಾಳ ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಈ ಥರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಈ ಆಯುರ್ಗ್ರಾಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೊಂಡಬಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದೆ.
Ayurgrama 2.0 Ayurgrama Ayurbharata. Subscribe and share this video to all and join hands with us to reach Ayurveda to each.